What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have a new Alfa Romeo EV SUV rendering from Capriotti Car Design, which I will link his work down in the description below because this is fresh off of the Giulia crossover rendering that a lot of people have been talking about because the Giulia might change for the next generation. And now that Alfa Romeo has finally taken flight, with the Tonale SUV and with the Brunero SUV debuting next year, well, a more audacious EV strategy is probably on the way since Alfa Romeo will be ditching ICE and going fully electric by 2026. Now, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale launch ended in a lengthy new model drought for the premium Stellantis brand, and Alfa is going to kick off the OEM engines in a higher gear from now on. Already, CEO Gianfilippo Imperato has confirmed that Giulia fans can rest assured that their favorite 3 Series rival will have a second chance at sales glory. However, he also added that a fully electric version of the next generation could take place, as sustainability is the name of the big game from now on. So naturally, that has quickly gotten virtual automotive artists thinking about what else could be turned into a glorious EV from Alfa Romeo? Well, it seems like Alessandro Capriotti has a soft spot for Alfa Romeo and now wants to give Stellantis a proper EV for the ever-growing SUV wars. Now, after working on a stylish modern Alfa Romeo GTV revival that was envisioned as an EV flagship to wrestle with the brand new 2023 BMW i7, he is back, but this time with a EV Alfa SUV. And this time around, unlike previous CGI crossover attempts, his proposed compact SUV, which could work very well as a second generation Stelvio, goes in an equally divisive styling direction. Only the author envisions a solid Scudetto shield that is painted the same color as the body. And I'm not mad at this design at all, actually, because think about it, when the Alfa Romeo does become an EV, it does not necessarily need grills. And like most automakers, there are plastic grille replacements in the front fascia of those electric cars. Now, this Scudetto could actually be used as the technology holder for level 3 autonomous driving when that technology comes, as well as parking sensors. Maybe a camera could be fitted. A lot of different possibilities for what we could do here with a solid Scudetto grille. But with that said, the design overall, what are you guys thinking about this SUV EV from Alfa Romeo? Not officially from Alfa Romeo though. With that said, sound off down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this one. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on a new Alfa Romeo EV SUV like this one here today. Now, with that said, if you guys enjoy what I do here and want to help further support your channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support. You guys are the best. And if you guys want to check out the Ron's Rides merch, I got t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies. I mean, everything Ron's Rides is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.